Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TVIX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. This one has been very crazy, obviously a volatility product, and the volatility got a little shaky this week as, a couple of days ago the price of the markets, did fall, so therefore this one reacted bullishly. But now it's seeming as though there's not really much power behind this overall move, as the price is essentially drifting right back to where it all started. And the key level, that I was keeping an eye on going in today when curious about, all these volatility products, was the support that had been established. Whoops, let's get that out of the way. And that level was right down here at about $9.15. There was quite a bit of history around this area. Actually, let me scrunch up the chart here a little bit more, just kind of really illustrate this. So back here, this area acted as a zone of resistance, and then, knocked the price down again, and then the price broke above it. And then within the world of technical analysis, that signaled kind of a key rule, and that rule states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And yesterday, this is what made it so interesting, was that rule followed through very nicely. You can see that area at 9.15 was doing a great job of acting as support. So going into today, it was kind of, is this just some sort of little miniature consolidation? And, is the price going to get, headed back up in the upwards direction? Well, today is now over. We have our answer, and the price is closed right there. Whoops, grab the wrong annotation tool. Let's try that again. So the price closed right there. And then you look back and, what does that really tell us? Well, the price is literally right back into this range where it all started. And I don't mean to insult your intelligence, but price movements with genuine power behind them, they don't go back to where they were. They make progress forward. Whereas had the price done something like this, which obviously it didn't, but if the price had continued to bounce around that area and then started to head back upwards, well, at that point in time, you'd have had a situation where the base of lows would have been right here. Previous base of lows would have been down there. You look at these as stair steps, and the overall stair steps would have been still going in the upwards direction. But obviously that did not happen. The price is right back to where it started. So as far as, the strength behind these volatility movements, was there any sort of power behind it? As far as I'm concerned, no, there wasn't, for the simple logic, like I said, that movements with true power aren't going to go back to where they were. They're going to make progress forward, and there was no progress forward. So maybe next week the price will put something new together. But as it stands right now, that movement from last week, or movement from a couple of days ago, I should say, there just wasn't any sort of power behind it. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.